Hello, welcome to Malawi, everyone. Welcome to Malawi. Good morning, everyone, from Lake Malawi. Check the view out last night. Didn't do much filming. We had our supper, did a little bit of dance, if I can put it that way, and then headed to sleep. But check this out. Superb spot.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky.
A quick little view of the accommodation that we're staying at. It's called Mushroom Farm and it's overlooking Lake Malawi from the hills. It's not, the greatest when it comes to beds itself, because I'm gonna turn the camera around a little. We were sleeping in tents, but with a spectacular view like you have just seen in the previous footage. But check out the nature, everything around it. A little bit harder with the toilets and the showers, but we did have hot water. Very, very, very little, but enough. Not sure if this wants to be a lion or what the hell, but yeah, the location on the hills, guys, is just breathtaking. Let me go a little bit here. And again, I'm filming on my phone. Once again, a lot of the footage on the phone. Check this out. Man, be careful, boy. The sun is right in front of us. I mean, this would have been a perfect spot for sunrise right here. The hills, they're just outstanding. The rolling hills, the rolling green hills of Malawi. Tent cabin as well, where some of the other guys slept. But they do have a couple of little houses, one made out of mud and one made out of wood, that are actually quite nice. But we're 10 people, so a little bit harder to fit all the needs into this little spot. But yeah, so the kitchen is, again, the views outstanding everywhere. Small little river at one point. Yeah, spectacular. Our bikes are ready, going on a little ride towards some waterfalls this morning on a very bumpy road. But yeah, let's hope for the best. Bogdan destroying the video once again.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you
it to the waterfall itself, Manchui. So the total combined waterfall of Manchui is around 125 meters, but check out the spectacular views that you can get from here. This is the exact same spot that we were trying to come at the last attempt to enter Malawi back in October, when we were refused at the border. And from here heading back down, as small as Malawi looks, it's actually quite the journey to make to get to Livingstonia here up north near the border with Tanzania. But you know, it's definitely worth it. And from here on, we're gonna go back south to Lilonde, do some safari, go back to Blantyre, go to Monkey Bay, go at the lake, and so on. But yeah, just a little FYI, a couple of fillers here that I wanted to touch base on. Made a little detour to get underneath the waterfall. Check this out, guys.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky.
And a better viewpoint of the waterfall. Check it out. A little shoestring waterfall right here. This is actually the other waterfall. You were right there. So it's a mix, a complex of waterfalls.
We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me
And finally made it down after an exhausting 45 minutes. But check out the view, guys. Superb. There's a sign towards Mushroom Farms, where we have stayed last night, and a little bit of the street life. Switch the camera around a little bit so I can actually take a zoom towards the mountain. Superb. Looks like a plateau right there. Fella Table Mountain, exactly. Hello, welcome to Malawi, everyone. Welcome to Malawi. Give it to Kissy. What does that mean? Can you dance? Gotta go.
Give it to Gis.
Give it to Kiss. And finally made it to Nkata Bay, guys, with outstanding views of Lake Malawi in the back. This lake, I don't know if I mentioned previously, but it does have a unique bacteria. So if you do go into the waters of Lake Malawi, you got to take a pill for 14 days or so in order to clear it up. Just research more on that. It's been you know, quite controversial along you know, decades and so on since it was discovered. But yeah, some people here say, don't worry about it. Some people say definitely take the pill. You know, most of the people that had problems were Europeans and other people from other countries that have been here in the past and got sick. But yeah, let me show you guys a little bit the houses. I'm gonna flip the camera. Boom. So this is a better view. I'm gonna go a little bit here. These, whoa, this moved with me. These are the cabins, the logs with outstanding views of the lake. They're on these rocks built straight out on top of them. But let me show you the views from the room itself. Quite clean in the room. It has all the basics. It does have a bathroom and sink only outside and no AC. It's a little bit hot here, but waking up, getting up from the bed with the views, check it out. Outstanding. But the bad part is, you know, all throughout the day the sun is rising from there, and it's pretty much heating the whole place up. So that's why right now it's super warm. But yeah, let's go explore a little bit more of the complex. Gonna go and grab my bag and return. Whoa, another fall. Like I mentioned, they're built on a whole bunch of rocks everywhere. There's stairs, but a lot of times you have to actually go on the rock itself. I have it on full wide mode, so hopefully the footage is good. I do enjoy the wide mode on the Samsung S10. It gives a really nice perspective. Let me see, which way do I have to go? Like I mentioned, a lot of stairs, but sometimes they lead to nowhere, so you gotta go on the rocks. Check out the other cabins. Super glad that we have walls this time. The bathroom is still outdoors, but you know, with walls it's a different story. Last night you could feel a little bit the wind coming in. It wasn't bad at all, but you know, it does help when you know, if you're cold. You know, I slept naked almost, you know, just my boxers and everything like I usually sleep, so I was pretty good. But other people, you know, had to put a couple of sweaters or a hoodie on.